One comment that Seth made that I took and put into action in our business probably made a $200,000 impact in our first quarter of the year.
We went from an occupancy rate of about $120 a night. Now we're floating around $175, $180.
When we first started, we had an Airbnb in downtown Nashville, but we wanted to do more. We knew we could grow and scale past that. The problem was that we didn't know how.
The more I learned about the short-term rental business, the more I realized how much I had left to learn. And it was going to take a tremendous amount of time, heartache, and money to do that on my own.
The entire industry works this way.
Coming here, it gave us the confidence. It also gave us a roadmap. We can do more than one condo in downtown Nashville. We want to do 10, 15, 25 units on top of a mountain and figure out how to get from point A to point B.
We've never done anything like this before, but oh my goodness. I've been here for 24 hours and the excitement in me, the hope. I just this morning felt like people had poured gas in our tank.
I've been to a lot of business workshops, and this is definitely very different. It's not just a lot of business language fluff. It's real stuff. It's real experience.
If you're really on the fence, I think you're going to waste more money trying it on your own than you will by coming to the STR Workshop and leaving with an actionable plan and the connections and the resources that'll help you accelerate your business.
If you're not sure if you're going to get the value out of it, then I think you're probably just thinking too small.